Hi, I am creating this video to help students who are having trouble organizing their homework when they get into the middle and high school levels. Starting middle school and high school can be a confusing time for some students because they have many different teachers who are all assigning different homework for different days, different styles, different subjects, different projects. One of the ways that you can become more organized with your homework is to use an assignment planner. An assignment planner is an easy trick that you can use to get your homework done so you won't lose it and that you'll get it done on time and completed correctly. The first step that you must do is you must create a monthly calendar. You can do this in a number of ways. You can either buy a calendar at a store, you can make your own, or you can print one off of the internet for free. I have printed one off the internet that I'm going to use for this demonstration. I printed it from a free website. You can do that pretty easily these days. The first thing you probably should do is make sure that it's on 8.5 by 11 paper. This way it can fit into your 3-ring binder. You will probably also want to have more than 1 month. That way, in case a teacher assigns an assignment that's due the month that you're not in, you'll be able to put it in your planner. The first thing that you do is that you enter your regular activities into your planner. For example, you might want to enter any practices you might have, sports, music lessons, dance lessons, any doctor's appointments you might have, church that you go to regularly. So, for example, I might have music lessons that I take every Tuesday. So what I would do is I would take a pen and I would try to color coordinate it. So music lessons would always be brown. So my music lessons are every Tuesday, and I'm going to write that down. Music. You'll probably also want to enter any special occasions that are coming up. For example, I happen to know that Mother's Day is on May 9th. So I'm going to mark that in red. You will also want to mark down any dates that you know you're not going to be able to study. For example, you may never study on Friday, so you might want to mark those days off. You might want to mark those days in pencil just in case you have to change your mind. Another trick that you'll want to use is to always mark down the assignment from the same class in the same color. You can use a colored pen, marker, or you could use a highlighter. For example, if you have a lab assignment that's due in science, and green is the science color, you might want to match it with your colored tab in your 3-ring binder. Let's say it's due on the 19th, so you might want to do lab assignment. So you will know that your green means you have a science project due that day. You might also want to make sure that if your colored tab is purple in your 3-ring binder for English, that you put your English assignments in purple on your assignment planner. Let's say you have to have a book read by the end of the month on Monday. So I'm going to put down book done in purple so that I know that that's when my English assignment is due. When you first start out using an assignment planner, you're going to want to carry it in your 3-ring binder always so that it comes home with you, goes to every class with you, and you can refer to it at any time. You may also want to, when you start out, have your teacher check it. This is not uncommon, so your teacher won't be surprised if you ask her if you have written down your homework assignments correctly. Well, I hope this helps, and I think you guys will do a great job. Good luck!